Everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the something went wrong error on Venmo. The quick solution payment app fix. So the fix one, you can restart the Venmo app. So close the Venmo app completely from your phone recent app screen. Now wait a few seconds before reopening the app. Now sign in again if prompted and check whether the error is resolved. Fix 2, check your network connection. So turn off any VPN, proxy or custom DNS server on your device. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or from mobile data to Wi-Fi. Ensure you have a stable internet connection and then try using Venmo again. Fix 3. Update the Venmo app. So open the App Store for iPhone and Google Play Store for Androids and search for Venmo and check for available update. Then install the latest version and relaunch the app. The fix 4, clear cache and app data for Android. So open the settings on your Android device, go to app Venmo, then storage and cache. Now tap clear cache. If the issue persists, tap clear data or storage and sign back into your account. The last fix, contact Venmo support. Open Venmo and go to the get help and use the inbuilt app chat or contact Venmo support if the error continues after troubleshooting. Then ask them to check for account registration or the payment verification issue. So goodbye and thanks for watching.